Hello and welcome students, myself Kumar Saurabh. Today I am present in front of you with yet another daily practice sheet, which is of course supposed to help you for your critical reasoning section in all the law entrance examination. So basically the structure of this video is like, first of all we are going to discuss about the passage. We are going to understand whatever the author is trying to say in the passage, and then based on that we are going to solve a set of questions. There are going to be 5 questions which you already know. So without wasting any more time, let's start. All right. Very small passage. The sudden sharp fall in greenhouse gas emissions recorded in the early part of this year may seem like an environmental blessing, a breathing space as the world fights climate ब्रेकडाउन. तो हुआ क्या है? ग्रीन हाउस गैस इमिशंस में शार्प फॉल हुआ है अर्ली पार्ट ऑफ दिस ईयर में, ये बताया गया, और ये ऑफ कोर्स एक एनवायरमेंटल ब्लेसिंग के फॉर्म में काम कर रहा है. Skies clear of aeroplanes and streets free of cars have encouraged the return of nature and brought visions of a cleaner world. अब ऑटोमोबाइल्स कम हो गए, एरोप्लेन्स कम हो गए, तो साफ दुनिया, क्लीनर दुनिया हमें ज़्यादा अच्छे से दिख रही है और उसके विजन्स और ज़्यादा क्लियर हो गए. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड emission has fallen by 17% on average by early April, according to a definitive study published in Nature Climate Change on Tuesday as a result of the lockdown measures put in place around the world to tackle the coronavirus pandemic. In fact, the unprecedented decline is nothing to celebrate, according to leading experts. So this was the whole passage. Basically, in this passage, the author tried to tell us that in the recent time, what we have witnessed is that because of the lockdown, because of coronavirus pandemic, हुआ ये है कि ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस के इमिशन में डिक्लाइन आया है. साथ ही साथ it has given us the visions of nature, the nature in true form and cleaner environment, because everything is at standstill. And साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे एक चीज और बता दी गई कि according to leading expert, this is no reason for us to celebrate just yet. चलिए, now based on this there are 5 questions. So let's start. The first question is, out of the following options, which one is a logical corollary to the paragraph given above? Logical corollary आपको बताना है. All right. So there are 4 options. The right answer here is going to be A. It will be temporary and will make little difference to stave off catastrophic levels of global heating. Of course, ये temporary ही रहने वाला है, because once the lockdown gets over, everything will go back to normal. And the pollution will be at the same level, greenhouse emission will be also at the level which was earlier there. So A is the right one. Second question, in light of the passage, it can be assumed that. Here the right answer is going to be, yes, in light of passage आपसे पूछा गया है, तो ऑटोमोबाइल्स के बारे में बात किया गया था, एरोप्लेन्स के बारे में बात किया गया था. सो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर के बारे में बात नहीं हुई, मिसाइल टेस्टिंग के बारे में बात नहीं हुई, न्यूक्लियर पॉल्यूशन के बारे में बिल्कुल बात नहीं हुई. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस व्हिच वन कैन बी इन्फर्ड एज द सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द गिवन पैसेज? सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द गिवन पैसेज. द आंसर विल बी बी. The current fall in emission is no cause for celebration. That's it. Very straightforward answer, very straightforward option as well. Question number 4. In the light of the passage, it can be assumed that. Okay, here the right answer is going to be option B. The current coronavirus pandemic is a boon in disguise in the context of the environment. All right, ये चीज तो mentioned भी थी. Then question number 5, which is the last question of this passage. The author of the passage is of the opinion that. Here the right answer seems to be option C. A sustained process is to be adopted to tackle greenhouse emissions. Because इसके लिए रीजंस हमारे पास मेंशन थे वहाँ कि हमें सेलिब्रेट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, एमिशन में थोड़ी कमी ज़रूर आई है, थोड़ा नेचर क्लीन हो गया है, एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन हो गया, बट इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जश्न मनाने की कोई बात हुई नहीं है. तो हमें करना क्या है, एक सस्टेन्ड प्रोसेस चाहिए जिससे कि ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशंस को हम लोग टैकल कर पाए. So this was all about the passage that we had at hand. I hope you guys understood everything, all the questions, all the passage. So keep on watching our videos on the official channel of our CLAT Gurukul, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.